Have you ever wondered if there is a 100% mechanical way of trading the breakouts? In this video, I'm going to reveal Asian range breakout model that I use every single day to find a high probability entries. If you're tired of getting caught and feel like the popular strategies doesn't work, this strategy is going to give you the clarity that you've been missing. And the best part that this strategy doesn't require more than 15 minutes a day in front of the chart. And I can say that because in the last 8 years, I've tested over 20 breakout models. And this is the only one that delivers over 60% win rate with a solid 5-hour return. I'm going to break down the amateur trap that's holding back 90% of breakout traders. Then I will give you my simple step-by-step process for trading this model. And we will finish with a real-life chart examples. So, you're ready to learn all of the 3 steps. But before I give you the solution, we have to identify the diagnosis to your disease. Why do most of the breakout traders consistently lose money? Even if they are thinking that they are following all of the rules. And the reason is all of the breakout trading models are built on the foundation of pure guesswork. You're told to find a range, but what does it even mean? 2 different traders can look at the same charts and see 2 completely different ranges. This is not a strategy, this is opinion. And when your strategy is based on opinion, you have 0 confidence in that. And what happens next is the painful cycle. You get caught up in what we call a false breakout. You take a loss, you blame yourself, and then you go and change the rules for identifying the high and low for your range for the next time. Now you're strategy hopping, even like without realizing it, caught in a loop of confusion and frustration as your accounts continues to bleed. The only way to break this cycle is to stop trading subjectively. The question is not like what looks like a range. The question is how we identify the range that is exactly the same for many different people during every single day. And the answer is to make it 100% mechanical. So how do we make our range 100% mechanical, eliminating all of the guesswork? The secret is not in the price pattern. It's something that most traders completely ignore: the time. Listen carefully, because this is a key. To make any strategy mechanical, you need to add time-based rules. In trading the breakouts, 90% of your success depends on choosing the right range. By using the specific time of the day to identify our range, we literally eliminate all of the subjectivity. We let the clock to do the work for us. So what time do we use? We use the quietest session of the day, which is the Asian range. During this time, the volatility is low, the volume is low, and the markets tends to range during this time, like coiling up like a coil, ready to spring during the London and the New York sessions when the volatility comes into the play. So basically, this creates a perfect clean range for us to trade during the time when the volatility kicks in. That is during the London and New York session. So how do we trade the Asian range breakout? Here are the 3-step blueprint that I have promised to you. Okay, you have to open the trading view and open any pair on the 15-minute time frame. Then you have to go to the indicators tab and add the sessions indicator. The settings you can see over here. The vertical gray stripe represents the first 4 hours of the Tokyo session. All you need is to mark up the high and the low of the price action during those 4 hours. This is your unchanging mechanical map for the day. Step number 2. You need to wait for the London or the New York sessions and wait for the price to break out of our Asian range. You wait for the price to break out and retest our Asian range. Step number 3. As the price approaches the Asian range, all you need is to draw your FIB levels from the bottom of the Asian range to the high of the breakout, on the breakout leg actually, and then place your entries at the 60 or 70% retracement levels. And your stop loss should go beyond the 100% FIB levels. It is that simple. Theory is great, but seeing this in action is what makes it click for you. So let's jump into the charts right now and I will show you the exact blueprint, step by step, all of the 3 steps on the real trades. And make sure to stick till the end, because in these examples I will show you a couple of more confirmations that you can use to increase your probability of winning these breakout trades. This is going to be cool, I promise you. Just make sure to stick till the end of the video and give me a subscribe. Okay folks, this is a real life examples of this strategy. First of all, that you have to understand, we are on a 15-minute time frame on Euro USD. These vertical lines identify the breaks of the day. Basically, this is when the new Tokyo session opens. So basically, you open the charts right before the London and New York sessions. Like sometimes it happens during the London session, sometimes it happens during the New York session. For me, it is convenient to trade the both sessions. So I open my charts right before the London session, and we have to draw the high and the low of the price action during the first 4 hours of the Tokyo session. For that, I use the FIB levels. By the way, you can copy my settings over here. Here are the settings. You see, it's just going to, and I've added this text over here. But in any way, as you can see over here, the price is breaking to the downside and retesting our Asian range. This is where we just need to get our FIB levels, draw it from the high to the low of the breakout, and let's apply it. And we are going to enter our trade at the golden zone. So basically, this is a secret that we teach inside of our mentorship program, but let me share it with you. Basically, you can enter on the golden zone, which is 60, 70, and 80% retracement levels. By the way, this is the settings for my FIB levels as well. What I would recommend for the beginner traders is to divide your trades. For example, you're risking 1%, so you have to risk 0.3% on on each of 3 levels, on the 60%, on the 70%, and on the 80%. And the stop loss is going to go above this Asian high. Basically, with this way, you can aim for 5-hour, but sometimes the price can give like 10-hour trades as well. Let's cover a couple of more examples. Here's another example, and it is a little bit more interesting than the previous one. Let's draw the high and the low of the price action. Let's mark up our Asian range. First, as you can see over here, the price is breaking to the upside. We are getting the confirmed the breakout. But the most interesting part is that we are doing that before the London session. And by the way, this vertical green stripe represents the first 2 hours of the London session, and this pink stripe represents the first 2 hours of the New York session. So basically, the price is just doing some manipulation above the Asian high before the London session. And during the London session, the price is just ranging inside of the Asian range, and during and right before the New York session, we are breaking to the downside, and then price is going to retest our Asian range. Basically, what we do here is we draw our FIB levels from this high, from the sweep, from the high of the sweep to the bottom of the breakout, and then we are placing our trade at the 60% retracement level, and the stop loss for the 60% entry is going to go above 80%. And as you can see over here, the same, like with this trade, we can aim for 5-hour as well, and the 5-hour, the price gave us 5-hour only the next day. So basically, the lesson that you need to take from this trade is that you don't take the trades that happen before the London session. So everything that happens after the London session is valid. And when you will be trading, when you will be drawing your FIB levels, you have to do it not from the high of the Asian range, but from the high of the sweep that happened prior to the real breakout. So let's move further and just cover a couple of more examples. So here is our Asian range. This is Asian low. This is our Asian high. And as you can see over here, the price is breaking out to the upside during the London session. and it is retesting our Asian range during the New York session. For those who tell like I'm from US, I cannot trade this strategy. No, you can. We do have trades during the New York session as well. And by the way, guys, this is just one of the 4 methods that we trade. We do have OP method number 2, 3, 4. This one is called OP method number 1. So basically what we do, we draw our fib levels from the bottom to the upside, and we enter our trade at the 60%, and let's say this was our trade. It gave us 5R, but if you say that the price is almost at the 80%, we could have entered at the 80% as well, and this would have give us 5R trade as well. So doesn't matter. Or you can just divide your trades into 3, one on the 60%, one on the 70%, and one on the 80%, and aim for 5R from the best case scenario trade. Let's cover one more example. This is more unusual example when we do have losses with this strategy as well. For example, what is happening here? The price is sweeping the Asian low, then we're having the breakout to the upside during the London session, and the price is retesting our Asian range during the London session, and we are getting stopped out here from one trade. But guys, we are breaking to the downside. As you can see over here, it is a confirmed breakout. One candle is breaking down, another candle confirming the breakout. So basically we can trade the OP method number 1, the breakout trade, to the downside from here. We have a successful breakout to the downside, the entry at the 60%, the stop loss goes about 80%, and we will be aiming for, yeah, in this case, guys, kind of the price didn't give us quite like 5R trade. So this trade, probably this would have ended up being the break-even trade, or like aiming for 4R is pretty good as well. So basically you can aim something around like 3 to 5R with this trading strategy. And why this strategy is so mechanical? Because you can trade the OP method number 1 only one time per one side. For example, we can trade the OP number 1 to the upside one time, and we can trade OP method number 1 to the downside one time. Only and only. So basically, let's say we do have one like bad trade over here. The price broke to the upside. We will not be trading the second breakout. So basically, if you open the charts and if you see that the OP method number 1 already played out or failed to play it out, that means that you don't have to look at the charts anymore that day, at least for the OP method number 1 trade. So this is a beauty of OP methods that makes them 100% mechanical. Okay, let's cover this example and we can wrap it up. Okay guys, look, here's our Asian high, this is our Asian low, and over here the price is breaking out. We do have one full body candle that broke to the downside, one more candle closing outside of our Asian range. Basically what we do here is that we draw our fib levels from this high to this low, and we enter our trade. Like we enter our trade as usual at the 60% retracement level. The stop loss goes above the 80% retracement levels, and we will be aiming for 5R. But as I said, sometimes price can give us like 10R or like 15R trades as well. But this is more kind of like the exclusions. Like most of the times we are going to get 5R trades with this method. So now you have a complete 3-step mechanical strategy that you can start looking for tomorrow morning and start backtesting right now. This strategy is designed to give you clarity in the markets while spending just 15 minutes a day for trading everything. But as you saw, knowing the entry model is just one side of the puzzle. Knowing how to manage the trade, how to get the confirmation for your trade, how to adapt the strategy for different market conditions is what separates the amateurs from the pro traders. That complete system where we go in depth in all of these 4 simple patterns, OP investing methods, is what I teach inside my mentorship program. If you're ready to learn a mechanical strategy that will help you to scale your trading to 6 or even 7 figures in the next 6 to 12 weeks, make sure to send me a direct message with the word ready on my social media. You can send that on Instagram, you can send that on Telegram. Me or my team will contact with you and give you more information about that. But if you want to learn more about our other strategies, make sure to check out this video over here.